Yeah, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 7. This works on your 7 Plus, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone completely turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can let go. You guys can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, drop a like and also subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go, your iPhone 7 Plus has been force restarted.